let's check out the microwave. It looks pretty normal, but I do see a pink balloon. Let's open it up. Balloon? Oh, what's that? It's a troll blind bag. This is so fun. Let's open it up. Friends, it's Toy Food Fun, and I'm so excited today to play with my KidKraft kitchen with you, but it's kind of making weird noises again. So before we play with it, I think we need to check it out. Every once in a while it kind of does strange things. So come with me and let's check this out. Let's start with the freezer. The freezer looks normal, but let's open it up and make sure everything's normal in there. Just a red balloon. That's not too unusual. Yeah, the freezer seems fine, so I wonder where those noises are coming from. Okay, let's try the refrigerator. Looks normal. More balloons, nothing too strange. Let's start with this red balloon. Nothing too unusual. Then on this top shelf, I see a blue balloon. Oh, and there's something behind the blue balloon. What is this? Oh, fun! It's Squinky Dewdrops. Mystery Villa. Let's open this up. This looks like so much fun. I've never had this type of Squinkies before, but it looks fun. It says 2 Squinkies and 1 dew in a villa. That's cool. Let's check it out. Oh, this is cute. It kind of looks like a plastic little cupcake house or something. Let's open this up. This little flyer can show us all the little different Squinkies we can get. Oh, and some hairdos and some hats. This is so cool. I can't believe we found this in our refrigerator. Let's open this up. So I can feel that there's 3 things. Oh! This is cool. This must be the Squinky Dew. Here I see it right on our list. It says Squinky Top Dew, so it's a top hat. That's really cute. I'm excited we got that. Now let's open the other surprise. Oh, how cute, a little blue bird. Let's see if we can find who this is. This right here looks like Hootsy Who. It's a common owl Squinky. She's so cute. I'm glad we got this owl. Our top hat's a common Squinky too. Last, we have another Squinky. Let's see. Oh, so cute. Kind of looks like maybe an otter. Let's find out. It looks like this Squinky is a faraway forest Squinky. Its name is Pamela Pookie. Oh, she's so cute. Let's put this Squinky hat on her. This is too cute. They have this cool little Squinky cupcake house. And I have 2 Squinkies and a hat. This is so cute. I love these. I'm going to set these Squinkies on my stovetop while I explore my kitchen a little further. Now let's check out this fridge one more time. Nothing behind the orange balloon. We'll shut the refrigerator. Now let's check out the oven. Right away I see a green balloon and a blue balloon. Nothing behind the green balloon. There's definitely something behind the blue balloon. Let's check it out. Oh, this is Flarp. It's Noise Putty. It's so fun. Let's open it up. Have you ever played with Flarp before? Tell me in the comments. Do you like it? Do you think it's fun? Let's open this up. If you've never had Flarp, Flarp is like thick slime. It's lots of fun to stretch and to play with. It's cold and slimy and soft. And then when you put it in the container, you can make silly noises with it. Did you hear that? Isn't that funny? I love Flarp. It's so much fun. We found some pretty fun things. I'm going to set this Flarp by our new Squinkies. Now let's check out the microwave. It looks pretty normal, but I do see a pink balloon. Let's open it up. Balloon? Oh, what's that? It's a troll blind bag. This is so fun. Let's open it up. I love trolls, and it looks like this is a Series 2 blind bag. I'm so excited to open this up. I hope I get something cool. What troll would you like? I think I want her. She's adorable. Who'd I get? Oh, she's so cute. Look at her hair. Oh my goodness. This comes with a really cool pamphlet where we can check off the different trolls as we can collect them. This is so fun. It looks like I got this adorable troll. Do you know her name? Tell me in the comments. I love her blue and yellow hair, and she has the cutest paint stains on her face and on her skin. She's so cute. Let's set her by our other discoveries. My kitchen was making funny noises, but now I know it was just being silly and it held silly surprises. Let's check out the dishwasher. Let's see. I think I see something in the dishwasher. I definitely see a yellow balloon. Let me grab that. And what's that behind the yellow balloon? Oh my goodness, it's more Flarp. I've got to play with this. Earlier we found pink Flarp. Now it looks like we have orange Flarp. I'm so excited. Let's open it up. I love the cold, slimy filling of Flarp. It smells like slime. I just love that smell. Now let's see if we can make any silly noises. Oh my goodness, that really was a silly noise. Let's try it again. Oh my goodness. I wonder if it's the trolls making that silly toot noise. Just teasing, I know it's the Flarp, but it's funny to blame it on other people. It's only funny if they're a good sport, and if they blame you, that you don't get mad. Well, friends, thanks for watching my silly kitchen. It was making funny noises, but I just discovered that it's in a silly mood because it contained lots of silly toys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and we'll make more. Hope to see you again soon.